Okay, if you like this effect where the image takes up the whole of the post instead of just like stuck somewhere in it, it's not difficult. If I say HTML code, half of you are going to run a mile, but this is all about copy pasting, that's all. So you have your post where you want the image to go. You have your image, and as you can see, it's that wide, and the widest you can put in WGT posts is 480, but it's not a problem. Copy the so Control C is the same as right click copy. Okay, so copy the code, and then this document here is full of HTML code, but please don't panic. All the code is there for you. If you want to post the image at the top of the post and then write some text after it, if you want it floating in the middle, if you want it at the bottom of the post, or in our case, if we want it to fill the message post. Okay, right click, paste. Now highlight all the text, right click, copy, go back to where your post is, and instead of going on here like you normally would, click on here, right click, paste, update, done. Happy Easter, Ducksters. And yes, I know. And now you can use the scorecard posting system exactly the same. You have your Windows Shift S. You click and drag your image, and it's copied. And you come to Snipboardio eventually, and you Control V. Okay. Now you don't have to do anything else because it's already there. So you highlight your text, you copy, you come to your Word document again, you highlight where you want it to go, Control V, there it is. Highlight all the text again. Excuse me. Come back to your post, click delete and it's gone. Then you click on your HTML again, and you right click paste, and there's the one that we just did. Honestly, it's not difficult. And that Word document that I've got there, which you never ever have to change, you just highlight this bit and paste in your image. And like I say, full post and blah blah blah. Now it is actually online, and I'll put the link in the next post. So actually I want this one because it says Happy Easter. Highlight, right click, paste, click and drag all of it, right click, copy, back to your post, get rid of that one, delete, HTML, right click, paste, update. Happy flipping Easter to the Ducksters.